How to log in Kik Messenger. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. First of all, you need to open up your Kik Messenger application on your device. After opening, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. Since we are trying to log in, you have to go for login option, which is in the lower button of the first row. Once you tap on login, the text fields will be available on your screen. In the first text field, you need to enter your email or Kik username associated with your Kik Messenger ID. And similarly, in the second text field, you need to tap and enter your password. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget option, from which you can reset your password, and once again by following this step you can log into your account, and after entering you can go for login, and after a few seconds of loading you will be directly logged into your account. This is how you log into Kik Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions on any topics, then don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thanks for watching.